In this video, we're going to focus on a scalar multiplication of matrices. So let's begin with matrix A. Let's say it's 5, -2, 7, 3. And matrix B, we're going to say it's -4, 6, -2, and 9. Now, let's find the values of 3A and 4B. So 3A, all we need to do is multiply matrix A by 3. So every element in this matrix, we're going to multiply it by 3. So 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times -2 is -6, 3 times 7 is 21, 3 times 3 is 9, and that's it. So for 4B, it's just going to be 4 times all of the elements in matrix B. So 4 times -4, that's -16. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times -2 is -8. 4 times 9 is 36. And that's scalar multiplication. Now, you also need to be familiar with operations associated with matrices that involve scalar multiplication. And we're going to go over some examples relating to that. Now, let's say if we want to find the value of 5A minus 6B. How can we do that? So we got to multiply matrix A by 5. And then there's going to be a subtraction sign, and then we're going to multiply matrix B by 6, or -6. If you multiply by 6, the negative sign will remain here. But if you multiply by -6, you could change it and put a plus sign, which I think it's easier. So first, let's multiply this matrix by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times -2 is -10. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 3 is 15. And then let's put a plus sign and multiply everything in this matrix by -6. So -6 times -4 is +24. -6 times 6 is -36. -6 times -2 is 12. And -6 times 9, that's going to be -54. So now, all we need to do is add the two matrices. And this will give us the value of 5A minus 6B. So let's add the elements in the first row and in the first column. 25 plus 24, that's 49. And then let's add the elements in the first row, second column. -10 plus -36 is -46. Now let's move on to second row, first column. 35 plus 12 is 47. And then finally, the second row, second column. 15 plus -54 is -39. And so that's it for this problem. Now let's try another example. Let's say we have matrix C, and it has the numbers 4, 6, -2, 3, 7, 8, and matrix D, 5, -2, 3, -7, 4, and -9. So go ahead and perform this operation. Find a matrix that corresponds to 3C plus 7D. Feel free to try that. So we have 3 times matrix C, and then plus 7 times matrix D. Feel free to pause the video if you want to work on this example. So let's multiply matrix C by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 6 is 18. And then 3 times -2, that's -6. And then we're going to have 9, 21, and 24. And then let's multiply every element in matrix D by 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times -2, that's -14. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times negative 7 is negative 49. And then we'll have 28 and negative 63. Now let's add the two matrices to get 3c plus 7d. So first let's add 12 and 35. 12 plus 35 is 47. And then let's add 18 and negative 14, which will give us 4. And then negative 6 plus 21, so that adds up to 15. And then we have 9 and negative 49, which is negative 40. 21 plus 28, that's 49. And then 24 plus negative 63, or 24 minus 63, that's going to be negative 39. And that's it. So now you know how to perform operations with matrices. Thanks for watching.